Political Science 201. I'm John Williams. We had class earlier today, and I wasn't sure exactly if it was going to work or not. I assume that this is actually a recording. I don't know for sure. I'm going to get you links to the page. This is my personal page, and I'm told that as long as we don't show the faces of students or indicate the interaction between students, then it's okay to live stream. Again, this is all new to us here at KCC in terms of operating within the confines of this epidemic. Having said this, it's not like we haven't had online classes here at KCC. I've taught online classes for a number of years. I've added video to classes, the whole 9 yards. So that's not necessarily new. It's whether or not we're going to be able to live stream it and whether that's going to work. You're going to be able to hear me if you're not in the classroom. Those are the things that we're not exactly sure about yet. We talked about class going into Moodle and making sure that you go through and take a look at the syllabus, get an understanding. I'm going to make the agenda, if it's not hot already, when you take a look at this video, it'll be hot real shortly. And that it gives you the week by week when the test dates are and the whole 9 yards. So you're going to want to take a look at that. And then there was 2 readings before Wednesday's class, which included originalism, getting understanding of how the book is written and why it's written that way, and then a common understanding so that we have that foundation to begin to delve into our American system of government and its structure. So those are the 2 things that you're going to want to make sure that you have read. Other than that, we took roll and we talked about this idea of breaking the class up. Right now, there aren't any students in the class, but you'll see that it's pretty packed together. And so social distancing is not very easy to do. There's some 20 students in this class, and there's really comfortable seating for 16 students, one at each table spread apart there. And because there's more than that, we've got chairs at the end of the table, which again, it's just not ideal, but it'll work if it has to. So that was the gist of today. I assume that there'll be students who are going to be comfortable not coming in on Wednesday or not coming in on a Monday and just doing the live stream. What we'll do is we'll aim the camera up and over towards the screen there, where I actually will do most of my work and writing the class out. We'll make sure that we try to keep it within a specific parameters on the whiteboard here, so we can at least you'll see what I'm writing down and get it. Again, I don't know if it's going to work for sure, but it's the best we can do. The other thing that we talked about real quick is that if you want to just take this class online, structured online, there I believe is an open section that's to start the 21st of September. So there's a couple of weeks for that, and there's room for I think 20 students there. And again, you might consider that that's just an easier way to go and offer the full, full flexibility of an online class, giving you all the content. I'm a firm believer that the best way to learn is face-to-face. I'm not so sure that face-to-face with masks or face shields is the best way to go, but I still think it's better than purely online classes. So we're going to integrate some of this video in, and hopefully with the video, with the structure of the class, with the opportunity to come in, with the ability to email me at any time and me getting back to you relatively quickly, that we're going to make this work regardless. All right, so let's have a good semester, and we'll see you on Wednesday, and hopefully probably live stream. Okay.